Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be opening up this Lost Origin build and battle kit. I was going to try and get this video uploaded for last week, but I didn't get the actual kit until a few days ago, so I wasn't able to record the video. So let's just get into it. So inside we get 2 build and battle kits, which you would have got if you went to a pre-release, as well as a block of energy, 4 extra packs of Lost Origin, some like what are they called, damage condition markers, some dice, and that looks like that's it. So before we open up the kits, we'll start off with the 4 packs. On the day that I'm recording this, someone's managed to get the next set. I don't know what it's called yet. I think it's like silver something. It's the one with like Lugia in it, and it looks like there's going to be some like really good cards in there. There's still quite a lot of cards in the set that I need. I've only opened the booster box, which if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link up here somewhere. If you can watch that afterwards. Or Macago Reverse and Malmara. I really want to get some all the training gallery cards from the set, because there's some really cool looking ones, like the Pikachus and stuff. Hopefully managed to pull something good today. As well as like, I also need any of the old art cards. Hopefully we can get the Giratina, because that one's expensive. Saving a bit of money. Love Disc, Thanks, Poliwag, Horsey Reverse, and Honchkrow Rare. Next pack. Water Energy, Gift Energy, Machop, Poliwag, Gloomy Mawile, Slugma, Minchino Reverse, and a Mistmine. Last of the extra boosters. Hopefully this has got something good. Alright, we got a black code card, so hopefully we should at least have a holo. Darkness Energy, Mirage Gate, Torkoal, Azura, Zora, Snova, Machop, Pikachu, Jinx. Oh, Parasect character. I think I already have this one, so that's not too great considering I only have like 3. And a Gumi, Hisuian Gumi V. It's very nice. Put these in sleeves. Alright, let's get into our first build and battle kit. These come with 4 packs, as well as like a pre-built deck type thing, which you would use in the pre-release, or like it would help you build a deck in a pre-release. And then there's like some exclusive promos. I believe there's a Gengar one. Yeah, I believe there's a Gengar promo, a Machoke promo, Finneon and Comfy, I believe is the last one. The one that I really want the most is the Gengar. So hopefully we manage to get that. And then probably second would be Machoke. So yeah, they'll like play a guide on how to play the game. So the first one is, oh nice, we get the Gengar. That's really good. Well, yeah, that's already one I wanted. So before we open up the packs, we'll have a look inside here. So here's another look at the promo Gengar. I really like the artwork on this, and having the set symbol there as well is really cool. So in this deck you ought to get a bunch of energies, trainers and support cards. You get a non-holo version. I think this is a holo in the set. Non-holo version of the card. I think that might also be a holo in the set. some more supporters. And then a code card for the game, which I'm going to keep because I want to play the online games. And all my the cards that I already have unlocked are from like years ago, so none of them are, you're not able to use them in standard mode anymore because they're too old. Let's get the promo out of this one first as well before we open the packs. Oh, I hope if I take the sleeve out. And we get a Comfy, which I think is actually pretty good because I think that's like, it's not the one that I wanted artwork wise, but I think it's like a very playable card. So let's have a look what's in this one. Here's a closer look at the promo. It is a nice artwork, to be fair. The centering's not great though. So in this one we get a bunch of energies again. This time we get grass energies as well. Supporters and trainers or whatever. Here we have the Pokémon. Another Gengar. And then, so it's like pretty similar to the last one as well. Right, so we got 8 more packs to go. Hopefully you managed to get, a trainer gallery or a V card, or like V full out V or better, something like that. Do 4 from the back. Darkness Energy, Toolbox, Hariyama, Arcphone, Porygon, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finneon, Zorora, Lakeacrity, Duskox. Next pack. Four from the back. Grass Energy, Electrike, Toolbox, Gastrodon, Poliwag, Oddish, Jisuin Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Damage Pump, and Landorus Rare. Got black code cards, so hopefully we can get something good. Hopefully it's better than a Hollow and Aura V. Rhyhorn, Morcrow, Horsey, Morwell, Shellos, Electrike Reverse, and Noah Hisuian Gudra. Alright, next pack. Another black code. Hopefully we get something a bit better this time. 4 from the back. Electric Energy. Galarian Stunfisk. Box of Disgaster. Hisuian Siglu. Hisuian Basculin. Jinx. Macchiata. Bronzor. Flanks. These are like really off center. Reversed Roselia. Oh, and a Hollow Sableye. Now onto the packs from the Gengar box. Hopefully we get at least one card that's better than V. That's a black code, so that's off to a good start. Lightning Energy, Rhydon, Roserade, Hisuian Sliggoo, Oddish, Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Timemo, Hooper Reverse, and an Amoris V. For a second there, I didn't think that came with a code card. Okay, there's another black one. Fighting Energy, Gloss Vacuum, Cascoon, Lampent, Thanks, Poliwag, Oddish, Hisuian Growlithe, Lickitung. Ooh, a Snorlax character rare. That's one of the ones that I wanted, and I think it's one of the more expensive ones, so I'm happy to pull that. And a Spectre Hollow. I almost thought that was a Hollow Bleed then for a second, but that's not. Well, I'm happy that we got the Snorlax. Fire Energy, Dottler, Panic Mask, Seadra, Porygon, Ducklet, Bronzor, Thanks, Poliwag, Litwick Reverse, and a Stoneturner Rare. Can we get something good on the last pack? No back code, so hopefully we can get a character rare still. Psychic Energy, Poliwhirl, Lickitung, Redcamp, Bronzor, Snova, Jinx, Inkay, Swivert, and a Clefable Reverse, and a Polytodra. Alright, so let's do a little recap. We got, for the hollows, we got Spectre, Sableye, then we got 2 Hisuian Gutra Vs, an Amoris V, we got the Cone V promo, which looks really nice, Parasect character rare, and a Gengar promo, and then probably the best pull was this Snorlax character rare. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. There should be a new video every Friday, but there are like delays with products in the UK, so there might be like a week where I gets missed because of that. But next week I should have an opening of the Amazon exclusive Arceus V-Star collection box. If you're looking forward to that box, make sure to subscribe so you can see what I pull. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.